Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back in another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Bosch R2402 air filter, cabin air filter. So this is a pack of two, so you get two inside of this, because my car has two cabin air filters, which is odd because I've never seen that before. But I'm guessing it has a better filtration than a regular car, because it's a 5 series, it's more premium I guess. So it's got them, oh shit. So it's got them in the two front bays, just it's in the engine bay basically. That's probably why it has two, because you don't want to get any engine fumes in and all that stuff. So it pulls in the air from there. So yeah, this is the box itself. I paid $17.99 I believe. That's your code models BMW. And yeah, this box looks alright. I got this from Euro Car Parts, Halfords, Amazon, everywhere else is about 20 something pounds. You can also get the one above this, but it costs about £50 on from Euro Car Parts. If you get it from elsewhere, you can get it for about £30. I wasn't very sure when I was ordering if you get two in the packet or not, or do I have to order two of these. So yeah, you just order one and you'll have two inside it. Well, that's what you're hoping for anyway, because it's very confusing. Some of them say you require two quantities, some just say you have two inside it. Do you know what I mean? There's a big difference between requiring and there is two inside, you know. Right, let me go ahead and open this for you. Not this end. So stay tuned for this video. I'll be showing you how to change your cabin air filter on your BMW 5 Series E60. So this is the filter itself. So it's got carbon filter inside it. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this looks brand new. Very nice. So yeah, it's got carbon filter. Can you see how it's all grey rather than full white? So it's not the top spec one. There's a lower spec than this, which is just a normal filter, which is about £15. So you might as well, for £2 more, get the carbon one. Whereas if you're jumping up to the next one after this, which is like allergy protection and all that stuff, that's another £20 on top. Whereas this is only £2 on top of the other one. So it makes sense to just buy this one, the medium spec one, you know. So yeah, quality is good. Let me show you the back. Exact same thing. I think there's a, you usually have an arrow to, yeah, the airflows there, so it shows you where to install it. It's a bit faded out though, you can't really see it that much, which is weird. This might have been sat on the shelf for a while, who knows. But yeah, that's one. Let me show you the second one. And when you do buy these, make sure you inspect them all, because that's what I did with this one. So you watch a video on that, I'll show you. It looked used to me because the box was all fucked. So, and then when I opened it, I know it was used because it's got problems with it. I'll show you that in the other video, go check it out. So yeah, inspect these filters because you don't want anything going into your air filtration system. Like, what the fuck is this shit? Bloody strand of hair. Must have been filtering the bloody box. Alright, same again, everything looks okay. You need to inspect, make sure you inspect this stuff, you know. You should always inspect your goods, because you don't know if they've been returned. You just don't know until you have a look yourself. So yeah, everything's good. You got a leaflet there as well. So it tells you exactly which cars it's for. So this is for the 5 series that I've got now. Anything above 2003 basically, which is good. It's cabin air filter, and it should say it's in the engine bay. Shows you how to do it, yeah. So it's a 10-minute job. There's your cabin air filters, like I said, at the front of the engine. And it's usually just one screw. So one screw off, yeah, one screw, lift it up. There's a locking tab first, take that off and then lift it up. And underneath is the cabin air filter. So I'll show you how to do that anyway. And then airflow. What the fuck? So airflow, I'm so confused. that part they make fucking confusing, man. Airflow signs are showing this way. Where's the bloody thing and where's the, you know, that picture is bloody useless. And then you got a notch there, I don't know what that's for. We'll have a look. Is there a notch on this? No. It doesn't make any sense, that bit, but yeah. We'll have a look anyway when we're doing it. But yeah, I'm happy with this purchase. This one's alright. This one on the other hand, not so much, so I'll show you that in a second. Well, on another video, go check it out.